diary. I'm feeling magic. Key. I'm playing the horse. Here's your zero. Hey, I'm shooting the gun. I got so much money.
It's the flamingo.
Isla and Daddy used to love to go to a place called the Shell Factory, which was huge. Just look at this map. But anyway, they had some really nice friends there, like these talking birds. And by that, I mean that you could say words to them, and they would say the words back. Watch this.
Hello. Hello.
Here, Isla and a human friend she met that day are feeding leaves to the birds, even though it was against the rules. But that was the beauty of this place. There really were no rules because you could break what little rules they had. It had an absolutely massive gift shop, a raw nature park, rides, games, food, dinosaurs, and at one time, a taxidermy museum. Daddy especially liked the alligator pit where you could throw food in and they would thrash around to fight over it. The whole experience was unhinged. And imagine this, it had been going strong for 86 years. It was a wild roadside attraction in Fort Myers, Florida, spreading love and happiness to the world.
Baby Jesus.
But sadly, the game ended on September 29, 2024, which was shockingly the Shell Factory's last day after a 2 weeks public notice. The longtime owner chose to shut it down and claimed maintenance costs as the reason. This is believable because they had raised their low-ticket prices in the final year. But when you look at the Google reviews and see all the unhappy nutjobs complaining about the nature park, the part that happy people like the most, you can't help but think that their foolishness contributed. The courts in the United States favor these kind of fools, and their whining must have been pressure and worry added onto what was already a struggle for the heroic owner Pam Cronin. Isla's daddy thanks her for holding out long enough for Isla to enjoy everything, and hopefully someone with money will step up and start something new to fill the void. Until then, they will be spending what little money they have elsewhere, usually a long drive from Fort Myers, as you will see in the next video. Whenever they can, they are going to go to a park that is more wild and fun and less cramped up and boring. In other words, they are going to seek out places that are fun, like the Shell Factory was fun. More often than not, they are going to avoid places that the typical American tighty-tight liberal approves of, because with some research and driving, they can find somewhere that Isla enjoys a lot more. And with that, we say goodbye to our friend the Shell Factory and close our tribute with Isla wandering around their gift shop, and then taking the reins of Goofy the camel to ride into the sunset.